Welcome, everyone, to a wonderful journey all about money and goals. Are you ready to discover how to set and achieve your money goals? Today, you'll learn how to make your dreams come true with the power of smart saving. Our mission for today is crystal clear. We're here to explore the fantastic journey of setting and reaching money goals. Get ready for an adventure. Now, what exactly are goals? Well, it's something super special that you want to make happen. It can be something exciting like buying a shiny new toy or going on a fantastic family trip. But today we're talking about something even more special: money goals. Money goals are when you save up your money to get something you really, really want. Think of it as having a secret piggy bank just for your special dream. So, how do you reach your money goals? Well, it's like magic. You save your money, and each time you do, it's like putting a little treasure into your gold piggy bank. But wait, there's more. To make your dreams come true, you need a special plan. Think of it as a magical map that guides you to your goal. Exciting, right? Now it's time to have some fun. Think about a money goal you'd love to reach. Grab a piece of paper or tell a friend about it. Let your dreams shine. You've been fantastic learners today. Keep dreaming big and working towards your goals. Remember, you have the power to make your dreams come true. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey of money and goals. I'm Funds, and I'll see you next time. Keep being awesome.